Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishaka Pujari, and in today's video we are going to go from this to this. As you can see, I have pigmentation in my face, around my eye area, around my lip area, sides of my face. So today we are just going to hide and conceal those first. So to moisturize my face, I am using the Pond's moisturizer. Then to hydrate my lips, I am going to use the Sugar Lip Balm. To prime my face, I am using the Color Bar primer today. I'm going to use a nice amount of primer on my face. Wherever I have open pores, I'm lightly dabbing it over those. I am spreading out the rest over the other area of my face. Then to correct my pigmented areas, I am using the Nykaa concealer in the shade orange. This is lightly creamy in texture, so it is not very pigmented, but it does the work. So this doesn't leave an orange cast over your foundation. To set the color corrector, I am just using my concealer brush and lightly dabbing it to evenly spread it over the pigmented areas. Then to set it, I am going to use my Maybelline compact powder and lightly just dab it wherever we have applied the corrector. Once we are done with the base, I am going to use my foundation. This is the Maybelline foundation in the shade 338 Spicy Brown. I have just lightly dotted the foundation all over my face, and with the help of a brush I am evenly spreading it out over my face. Then I'll take my damp beauty blender and go over my face and just get the excess foundation out of it. This will help us in giving a natural look and it won't look cakey. Once I'm done with the foundation, we'll start with eyebrows. I'm going to use a spoolie and just brush the eyebrows towards the upper area. Here I'm using the Nykaa brow filler. I'm just lightly tracing my natural eyebrow area only. I'm using the Nykaa eyeshadow palette today. For the base, I am using a brown color. Then I am using a darker shade of brown over the outer area and just blending it towards the inner eye area. Once I'm done blending, I'm using a brown light shimmer color in the center eye area. To enhance the eyeshadow color, I'm using an orange color in the outer crease area and just lightly blending it inside. It looks very nice and very subtle yet glam. Then to complete the look, I am using the Sugar eyeliner, creating a small wing at the outer area and just lining and tracing the natural line. Next, I am using the Nykaa Kajal pencil to line my waterline. Before I apply mascara, I am using a lash curler from Vega. Then I am using the Sugar mascara and just you can see the difference that it adds. To highlight my face, I am using the Maybelline foundation in the shade 330. This suits me perfectly, so I always prefer using this foundation. With the help of my foundation brush, I am just lightly dabbing this in and pressing it wherever we have applied the foundation as the concealer, and you'll see a good difference that it adds to our face. To set this, I am going to use the Sugar translucent powder. I am applying this wherever I had applied the concealer or the foundation. I'm not going to let it sit. I'm going to use my powder brush and remove the excess immediately. This will help your face makeup set nicely and you'll see a difference how it mattifies your face. To add some color back to my face, I'm going to use the Dazzler contour powder. This will give you a very natural finish. To add some flush of color, I'm using the Rimmel blush today. And to increase and intensify the color, I'm also using the Sugar blush powder over it. For my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline highlighter. To set my makeup, I am using the NYX setting spray. I am lightly spraying it over my beauty blender and dabbing it over my face. Lastly, to complete the look, I am using the Lakme liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Red Sangria. Description of each of the products will be in the comment sections and also in the description box below. So if you want to check it out, do check it out. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. Do let me know in the comment section below and we'll meet in next video. Bye.